President Mamnoon Hussain paid tribute to leaders of Pakistan movement and millions of people who rendered immense sacrifices in their struggle to carve not a separate homeland and called for following in the footsteps of forefathers to collectively realize cherished goals and objectives. Full stop. The president was addressing the Pakistan Day parade, held after a gap of 7 years, as part of Pakistan Day celebrations, here in Islamabad on March 23rd, 2015. Full stop. The president said that the best way to pay tribute to leaders of Pakistan movement is to ameliorate their struggle and commitment and put the country on trajectory of progress, growth and development. Full stop. President Mamnoon Hussain stated that 75 years ago, our forefathers sought a separate homeland and realized that dream in just 7 years. Full stop. It was an unprecedented event in the annals of history. Full stop. The president reiterated that our destination is the realization of a democratic, peaceful, prosperous, developed and educated Pakistan, wherein every Pakistani would be free to live life according to his/her belief, and the country would be purged of any linguistic, regional and religious prejudices. Full stop. The president stated that Pakistanis are a brave nation which, despite facing many adversities, withstood it all and remained steadfast. Full stop. 68 years ago, Pakistan started off from scratch and within only 5 decades became an atomic power, said the president. Full stop. The president noted with satisfaction that a consensus based national action plan against terrorism and extremism has been formulated, expressing hope that the unity of nation will defeat the twin menace once and for all. Full stop. The president said that today Pakistan is facing many challenges and called for making concerted efforts to overcome these problems. Full stop. Paying tribute to personnel of armed forces and law enforcement agencies valiantly fighting the terrorists, the president reiterated that Operation Zarb-e-Azb would continue till its logical conclusion. Full stop. I myself would go to the battle fronts and embrace the brave sons of soil, gallantly fighting the dark forces of terrorism and extremism, affirmed the president. Full stop. The president also paid tribute to martyrs of Army Public School, adding that their sacrifices have proved that enemies cannot deter the resolve of Pakistani nation. Full stop. The president reiterated that Pakistan is a peace-loving country and believes in global peace, which is evident from participation of braved personnel of Pakistan armed forces in numerous peacekeeping missions of United Nations. Full stop. The president said that Pakistan desires equal and friendly relations with all its neighbors adding that Pakistan wants to resolve all outstanding issues as per the aspirations of Kashmiri people and in the light of United Nations resolutions is the key to regional security and peace. Full stop. The president also called for taking effective measures for curbing corruption, emphasizing that corruption erodes the very fabric of a society. Full stop. The president said that the government is striving hard to revive country's economy, underscoring that is the responsibility of every citizen to play his/her role in the development of country. Full stop. The president also congratulated the nation on extension of Pakistan's sea full stop boundary limits from 200 nautical miles to 350 nautical miles, adding that it would also enhance country's resources. Full stop. The president congratulated Ministry of Science and Technology, Pakistan Navy and National Institute of Oceanography for achieving this landmark success. Full stop. The president also appreciated the organizers on organizing the ironic Pakistan Day parade and expressed hope that the green flag of the country would always stay exalted. Full stop. बाकी नमाज के